Hi guys, right now we're here in Metro Center together with ACT Prime Movers, ACT Prime Directors, and syempre with Nanay Del! Yes! Right now we are at Metro Center with the Prime Movers and ACT Prime Directors and syempre the ACT Founder. Kaway-kaway! Ayan, so viewers natin. Siya!